From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a bed cover that feels like a warm hug from your mom? Sounds crazy, right? And that's exactly what the plain plaid bed cover printed cotton single hat from Generic offers. This product is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why I'm obsessed with it. It's not just any ordinary bed cover, but a super comfy and easy to set up mattress protector that's well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and loved it. The 360 degrees whole circle wrapping design makes it incredibly convenient to use. You just slip it on and you're good to go. No fuss, no muss. The fabric is soft and comfortable with great breathability. You can literally feel the gentle texture against your skin. It's like sleeping on a cloud. The wear-resistant material is also surprisingly durable, and the workmanship is top-notch. You can tell it's made to last. Plus, it's anti-wrinkle and washable, so you don't have to worry about it losing its shape or getting all wrinkled after a few washes. I've used this bed cover for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a total sleep changer. I feel more relaxed and cozy in bed, and I think it's because of the unique design and material. For example, on a busy day, all I want to do is come home and snuggle up in bed, and this bed cover makes that experience even more enjoyable. It's also perfect for when you have guests over. It adds a nice touch to the bedroom and makes it feel more welcoming. Overall, I'm really impressed with the plain plaid bed cover. It's definitely worth trying out if you want to level up your sleep game and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.